Welcome to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Please remain seated until the flight comes to a complete halt. The local time is 12:45 p.m. and the temperature is 31 Celsius. We hope you had a pleasant journey with us and hope you choose to fly with Mihin Lanka again. Thank you and enjoy your stay in Indonesia. Once upon a time, not too long ago, Chepot invites Mahatanamutta and his new Golayas to his home to celebrate 60 years of friendship between Sri Lanka and Indonesia. It was a dream come true. On 21st April 2013, 6 Sri Lankan artists, including myself, landed in Bandung for a puppet collaboration with Sundanese artists of Putra Giriharja Tiga, headed by Bathara Sena. It was not easy. 6 Sri Lankans, 10 Orang Sunda, 5 days, and no story. We had to start from scratch. It was Bathara's idea to include a live mask dance in the puppet show. Dr. Bentrage became the Black Demon, or the Kaluyaka. While Black Demon invites all his friends to enjoy this fresh meal.
Hi Mia,
Okay. Ini entrance benar, ya, correct? How you say correct?
Benar.
Ini entrance benar di sini.
Yang jauh-jauh.
Language was a huge problem. Only Bathara and I could speak both Bahasa and English. Rehearsal traditions were very different to what we were used to.
Yes.
I mean, the Sundanese artists were maestros. they didn't really need rehearsals. But the Sri Lankan artists, we had to learn the puppet skills, the music, the dialogue, and keep abreast with show developments.
Of course.
Your father helped find Paul Bamuni?
I hope.
I hope?
Yeah.
No, must find.
Yeah, I hope.
All this had to be done in rehearsal. Gamelan would play deafeningly, puppets and gunungans would fly all over the place, and the entire neighborhood would cram into the studio to watch every single rehearsal. Nothing stops and waits for you. You just have to jump on board the speeding train. Eventually, a story emerged. One day, Mahadanamutta and his new Golyas arrived to Jakarta International Airport. Mahadanamutta and new Golyas are invited by Chepot to meet his father Samar, who is half god, half human, and one of the wisest Wayang characters. On the way to Samar's house, Polbear Muni is kidnapped by the Black Demon, and both sides unite to free her with the assistance of Arjuna. Not the cricketer Arjuna, the Arjuna from Mahabharata.
ඇඳගෙන කාලා ඇඳුම් මාරු කරගෙන මේ ටික සෙට් කරලා වොයිස් සෙට් කරලා ඔක්කොම කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා හිතනවා.
We weren't allowed time for a proper technical rehearsal. We got the stage 45 minutes prior to show. I nearly burst a vessel watching puppeteers, musicians and crew speed around, setting up everything from gamelan to puppets to mics. We didn't test anything, just leapt into the show.
You have full support of Sri Lankan team.
Okay, thank you. Bakal nyeprot senang sampai.
Everything was worth it. The Indonesians loved the Black Demon. The Sri Lankans loved the collaboration. No one could believe we pulled it all off in 5 days.
Kalau Wayang stage jatuh, you know, it's the four of us. Mana itu? Stage ke mana? Makian dulu, okay. Terima kasih semua. Enjoy the rest of your life.
It wasn't easy to share the stage with a live demon who couldn't see. Dr. Bentarage had to climb over the gamelan and grope his way to the back of the puppet stage and then climb it to frighten the audience. He managed to scale the banana logs with 3 puppeteers lifting him.
Okay, better get no, please, no, please. Your mistake, our mistake. Better again. Okay, better again.
But the real treat for us was the chance to see Pa Asep, our teacher and the superstar Dalang, perform a Wayang Golek Purva performance. To see him entertain 1 million people in open air throughout the night from our very own eyes, that was just pure magic.
Stuti. Stuti.
We celebrated World Dance Day in Indonesia with 2 Sri Lankan low country dance workshops. For our pure luck, our videographer and photographer had both done dance for their A-levels and assisted Dr. Bentarge in the workshops. The first one was for students in STSC Bandung, University of Performing Arts. The second workshop was for the largest contemporary theatre company in Indonesia, Theatre Koma in Jakarta, owned by Pak Nano Riantiarno and his beautiful wife Ibu Ratna. It was hard to say goodbye to our Bandung family, who treated us like royalty. 10 days, 1 show, a fantastic party, 2 workshops, a brief shopping trip, and countless number of friends. How beautifully they treated us, how much fun we had, and how much we learned from each other. The chance to experience for our own selves the strength of friendship between our countries. Because at the end of the day, after all this madness, what sticks to memory is the people.